Special needs trust planning for the future of a loved one with disabilities is one of the most important steps a family can take. In Houston, families who want to protect their loved one's eligibility for government benefits while ensuring financial stability often turn to a specific legal tool, the Special Needs Trust. A special needs trust allows assets to be set aside for someone with disabilities without disqualifying them from essential benefits like supplemental security income, SSI, or Medicaid. For many families, this kind of trust becomes essential in long-term care planning, especially when dealing with inheritances, settlements, or other financial resources. Legal considerations in creating a special needs trust. Special needs trusts are governed by both federal and state law. These trusts must meet very specific requirements to avoid interfering with eligibility for needs-based public benefits. If set up incorrectly, the person with disabilities could lose access to vital programs. There are generally two types of special needs trusts: first-party and third-party. First-party trusts are funded with assets that belong to the individual with special needs, such as a personal injury settlement or inheritance. These must include a Medicaid payback provision. Third-party trusts are funded with assets from someone else, typically a parent or grandparent, and do not require reimbursement to Medicaid upon the beneficiary's death. It's important that the trust is drafted by an experienced attorney to comply with all legal requirements. Using a law firm that understands the complexity of public benefit programs and trust law is key to avoiding costly mistakes. When should you create a special needs trust? A special needs trust should be created as early as possible when financial resources are intended to benefit someone with a disability. Families often incorporate these trusts into their estate plans or establish them when receiving a settlement or inheritance on behalf of the individual. If a person with disabilities is about to receive money or property, placing those assets directly into their name can disrupt their access to SSI or Medicaid. Instead, placing the assets into a properly structured trust preserves their benefits while allowing those resources to be used for supplemental needs such as education, transportation, or specialized medical care. Working with a lawyer early in the process ensures that the trust is correctly established and funded. It also gives families peace of mind, knowing their loved one will have financial security without losing essential benefits. What is a special needs trust and how does it work? A special needs trust is a legal arrangement where a trustee holds and manages funds on behalf of a beneficiary with disabilities. The trust is designed to provide for supplemental expenses that aren't covered by public benefits, such as therapy, travel, home modifications, or recreation. The trustee has full control over how funds are distributed and must follow the guidelines outlined in the trust document. The trust cannot provide cash directly to the beneficiary, as this could affect their eligibility for SSI or Medicaid. Instead, the trustee can pay vendors or service providers directly for approved expenses. There's also flexibility in who can create the trust. Parents, grandparents, or legal guardians often establish third-party trusts as part of a broader estate plan. When the trust is funded through a settlement or inheritance that belongs to the individual with disabilities, a first-party trust is used. Both types require careful planning and legal guidance. An attorney familiar with special needs planning can ensure the trust complies with all rules and works in harmony with other aspects of a family's financial and estate plans. Families often rely on a law firm to help with trust administration and to make updates as circumstances change over time. If you're considering creating a special needs trust for your loved one, it's important to get proper legal help. Call the law office of Whitney L. Thompson, PLLC at 281-214-0173 or visit us at 4201 FM 1960 Road West, Suite 360, Houston, Texas, 77068, United States.